This bitch burned me.
Oh, because ha ke batla go bolella motho ga
Dang.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at.
Hola babies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back by, and if you are new here, welcome to the Real Gang. So in today's video I am with
Hi everyone, I am Neo Mutielwa. I don't know, Kiri. Okay, I'm Tero's best friend.
yes, so we are doing a best friend quiz. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that I did ask you guys to ask us a couple of questions that we will be answering while I do her hair. So if you want to stick around and hear the answers that we'll be answering, don't stop. Or if you just want to learn how to install, be my guest. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna be doing a step-by-step telling you guys what I'm doing. What we'll be doing is answering questions. So now we will be reading out the questions and then we will be answering. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna start with if you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Do you know what would me?
No,
I eat
no. What would you eat?
African cuisine.
Oh my gosh, I was gonna say like stampa mkhodu. Because that's like a fave. Yeah, that's one thing I would eat for the rest of my life. Like,
Not even like stampa. I'm not big gas stampa, but definitely I
Mkhodu.
would eat it every day.
Yeah.
It's just African cuisine.
Yeah, African cuisine. Like, have veggies as well, like spinach. Oh my gosh. Ceviche, the works. I love it.
Food. Best.
Okay, not too bad. Okay. What is your love language to each other? Love. Tejo is big on acts of service. Like, Tejo will make me food. Tejo will be like, hey babe, where you at? And then be like, I got a surprise for you. Be like, ta-da. So yeah, I don't know about me, Weezy. What is my love language?
What is your love language?
Personally, I like quality time. Like, just be there, you know.
Yeah.
If I'm sleeping, just be there. Just be there. So yeah, quality time is.
Also feeding people as well.
Oh, I love feeding people. Yo, cool, man.
Yeah, never will make sure you are fed.
Yes, because I love food. What is the nicest thing your bestie has done for you? Oh my gosh, I want to go first.
Okay.
Because this one lives forever. So, if you didn't know, I have twins. And like, they were in hospital. I gave birth prematurely. So they were in hospital for like 2 months. So on her birthday, my baby got released from hospital. So we had planned an outing, and then she's like, oh my God. No, she didn't know she's going to have a surprise outing. So she was like, okay, now I'm going to come through to you, blah, blah, blah. And then she came with flowers. Oh my, I was like, on your birthday, you bought me flowers. It was so sweet. Like, it was the nicest thing ever. It was the nicest thing. So I really appreciated that. Your turn.
That.
How does she beat that?
The nicest thing Neo has ever done for me. Yo, batho guys, nka simolola kae?
tatong.
Yeah, guys, the nicest thing Neo has ever done for me is to let me be. Firstly, guys, like Neo allows me to express myself. She allows me to be different. She does not judge. She just. So I would say the nicest thing Neo did or does for me is just to be an ear to listen, a confidant. She's not here to tell me what to do. She's not here to guide me. Okay, she does guide me, but in a sense of letting me think for myself. She lets me think for myself. I love that about her. That's the nicest thing you do for me.
Yo, let's run a little bestie. Oh my gosh, I love these questions, Waity. What is your all-time favorite memory with each other? Oh my gosh.
Now I know, guys. Can I just go first?
Go first.
So, guys, you guys know we have a business, Food Fanfare, where we sell food. So on our debut, it was the 16th of December. The next day, there was there was a ceremony. So we called that ceremony closing of Food Fanfare. Like that was our official closing. Neo had one mandate, and that was to get drunk. Not only did she get drunk, she got drunk and high. She lost so much weight. So this lady had lost weight, and then there was like, where do I know her from? So I'm explaining to her, this is where you know her from. So Neo is just silent. She's silent. The next thing Neo is like, Kaitiki me said it's a kai, you're transgender.
Yo. Oh my gosh.
That will forever live free.
Yo, oh my gosh, that was hilarious. Like when she told me the next day, it was so hilarious. Still is hilarious. Guys, one thing about me, I will get drunk. And I still don't know that lady. I still don't know that lady.
You know her, Witty. You know her. I think she lost too much weight.
Yo, gosh. Anyway, a memory. Oh my gosh. Yo, Tiro.
There's too much.
There's too much, Witty. I think we'll come back to that question. Okay. Are you guys friend besties or cousin besties? You wanna answer that?
We are both.
Yeah.
We are cousins who are best friends.
Yeah. I think we are, there's nothing more to say, actually. Oh, how long have you guys known each other? For
As long as I can remember.
Yeah, as soon as she hit this earth. Okay. How have your late 20s been going? Oof.
Oh my God. My late 20s were not it. I don't want to lie. Early 20s, okay. But now, I can say 2024 has been my year. Only 2024. Other years, no thank you.
Yeah, I enjoyed this year, Witty. Like, a lot of people haven't, but I must say, I enjoyed it. There were challenges, but not too hectic. I think my late 20s were just life, man. Hey. So Solanka udlula ko man, ke fitile ko, it's fine. On to the next day. Next question. Next question. What's one thing most people don't know about you? I absolutely despise unkind people. Like, why only unkind day? Why? Like, like, why? Why, Clay? Like, just be kind, Clay. Not saying, give me this, give me that, but with words as well. Like, there's a way of saying things. Or how do people function? How do most people function? Do you guys think about what you're saying first, or you guys just So yeah, I think that's one thing people don't know about me. Like, when you're unkind, I mean, I'm just cut off quick in a hurry.
I think the one thing people don't know about you is you don't know how to cut people off. And thank you for saying it.
Oh my
Cut people off.
I don't know how to cut people off. Yeah, I think, yeah. I say it, but I don't actually do it.
Never doesn't cut off, Shem.
Yeah, I don't cut off. Listen, tinang, Liluna, why? Ish, Ish. And you know how to cut people off.
You and I will cut you off. Yo, get some more and not guys come sa champagne. Now I will cut you off, guys. And one thing people don't know about me is when you text me on WhatsApp, or a hi Tshego, hi, or how are you? Oh my god, guys, I hate that. It makes me so anxious. Ke feel like like bad news or but I really don't like it. And also one thing people don't know about me, guys, I am so shy and so socially awkward. I'm just like, I'm not greeting that person. Not because he's snacksy or like I'm not talking to that person. Like, guys, I'm even scared of saying hello.
Yeah, she's very, very shy. Very shy. Next question. Is there anything you'd wait in line for a week to do, see, or get?
Yes, a vacation.
You would wait in line for a vacation.
I got the free vacation.
Free vacation. Come, get your free tickets.
Yes, that's me right there.
I don't think I would wait in line for that.
What would you wait in line for?
Drake tickets. I would wait in line for Drake tickets. I would wait in line for like
Kim
Kardashian
signing what?
Signing something. I would wait in line. Now it's king. Free sneakers. I would definitely wait in line for free sneakers.
Maybe nutty flops or descended. I'm not really that big on sneak.
Yeah.
People also don't know that I'm quite cheeky. Like, guys, I am so cheeky.
Libonit.
I am cheeky, but it comes from a good place.
Yeah.
What? Hey! It's like a milk, at least.
Hey, these. Okay. I really like these questions, Waity. If someone wrote a book about your relationship, what would the title of the book be? Yo, bathong.
Hey.
Do people read?
Yes.
Wait, I miss reading. Like, actually, I miss reading, Waity.
And then I used to like Christian novels.
Oh, wow. The last Christian novel I read, nearly no, Noel, that guy. Ay, ke leave
I
it.
get the author. Mara ke itse di-book.
Yeah. Ish, nakalebala with. What's this question again? I just said
The
kalebala.
title.
Oh, the title of a book.
Nna nka reng eh? Something with two worlds coming together, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, something along the lines of two different people or two worlds or something. Because, guys, sihlukene.
Like, sihlukene.
We just found a drink that we can drink
Drink
together.
together.
That's how different we are. Like, guys, we don't even share alcohol. We don't like the same things. We don't have the same personality. At least still humor. At least our humor.
Yeah, I think that's one pro ya rona ebile. Humor.
Yeah, the humor. ke yone. But other than that,
Yeah, I think the title would be something about two worlds, like two worlds coming together. Yeah, alright. Okay, Voma. Okay, I think this one, things to do in order. I think this one is for you personally. Things to do in order to achieve a clean installation. Wait, can I just say, I can't do a clean installation to save my life. It's so messy, but I'm working on it. So she wants to know things to do in order to achieve a clean installation. Me too. I also want to know, actually.
when a week is new, what do we have to do now?
Customize.
That's the number one. That's the one and only thing that will get you a clean installation. You need to customize your wig. You need to bleach and pluck your wig. Yeah, I would say that's all.
But
Bleach.
what if it's customized and like, cause they are customized in Dara, especially more the edges more. It's not neat. That's why I like. I'm giving you my secret, guys. That's why I like combing my wigs like this, to hide my mess.
Guys, it's practice, hey? You need to practice. You need to practice your sides. That's all I can say. Like, I don't have any other tip but customizing and practicing, because that's how I also got here.
Okay.
I practiced.
I will practice. I don't understand like this question. What do you like about each other?
Yeah, like, what do I like about you? E leng gore e nketsa ke be your best friend.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Remember we told you guys that we are two different people. We are two different people with two different opinions and stuff like that. But never have I ever disrespected or disregarded her opinion. And she has never done the same. I'll smack a bitch.
Hey, guys, I'm very opinionated.
Yes, so just making sure that you disagree in a very respectful manner. You understand that you guys are not the same. You guys will never be the same. Therefore, just by respecting each other's opinions and the way that we choose to do this life thing. Of course, like here and there, like I would say, yo, no, I'm not riding with this, or but it's always respect first.
Yeah.
And we always do that. Like, we always respect each other.
Yeah, Witty. And I love that, Witty.
Like, guys, respect ke our number one thing. And it's not even a thing of we talk about it. It's not a thing that I have to practice. No, I need to respect Neo. That's just how we are. Like, it's rooted. It's rooted that, you know what? You guys are different. So therefore, opinions are going to be different. The way you guys do life is going to be different. But just support each other and respect each other. I would say that is.
I definitely agree. I think that's what keeps the relationship going.
Hey, and guys, like even friendship is just like any other relationship. Wabona, you need to communicate, but respect, guys. Number one.
Okay.
And I have a jokey kat lo tse di like nkare. One of those jokes where somebody would joke but they are low-key not joking. Mean jokes, we don't do that.
Yeah, I hate mean jokes. Who still does mean jokes, Mara?
Oh, no, no, it's and then it go baile fela monwana.
Cheeky. Okay, next one. How do you handle the good times versus the bad times as best friends?
Answer it.
By just being there with you. Wait till you happen. Talk about, have you ever fought like serious fights?
No. Just disagreement. No, we actually have fought, but we fix things the same day. Remember,
Is that you? I like that.
yeah?
That's right.
Oh. I don't even think Noah would even remember this fight, yeah? So, guys, me and Noah have once had a fight. I don't think she will remember because, wow. Memory.
I might remember.
Yeah, so there was this other guy, guys, that I was dating. Yo, do I say the name? Because that's the only way you remember.
Yeah.
I got a name.
Lim. Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
So, guys, like, I used to do these cute videos for him and stuff like that. Guys, after the breakup, the song Yadlala, yeah, one of those. Yeah, one of those videos. Now I'm like, ha! Okay. I was so angry. God, this is why people are saying, oh, I'm not telling you things or something like that. And then I stomped off. Then she came. I hate to hold. And I was like, yes, no, because I shared those things with you. Why to joke on it? But valiteni.
Wait, you know why I joked about it? I think I must say, I'm glad I even remember, because one thing about me, I will forget. So I remember this fight. And I didn't think the relationship, she took it that hardly. Like, it was just like, okay, this guy, it's just for now, like having fun and so forth. But I realized, oh no,
I liked that guy.
she actually liked him.
I did.
Wow.
He was just not ambitious enough for me. That's why the love and everything. Like not so ambitious, and I don't do guys like that. I'm sorry. I will love you, but I'm not about to build you to be hungry for success. He was just not hungry.
I remember that fight. But remember, like, there's one disagreement that we had that I think was a real fight. because I didn't even think Hori would show up on Christmas Day. We had a fight.
Oh,
That was
Guys.
a hectic.
that was so hectic, guys. Hey, we didn't know we leave it to you.
It was a hectic. This disagreement. It wasn't a
Yes.
fight.
Disagreement. Yeah.
Yeah. it
Oh,
was. Oh, so wait, the reason I thought is that I give to mention about.
Oh, okay, guys. So we had a disagreement, and then go group chatting. I just stated, Hore, why, like, you know, like when people cancel on you guys, ka group chat, and you guys had plans to group chat. So that had happened. Woman.
Yes.
So now I'm just stating my frustrations with the girls, and then didn't know it actually. No, like didn't know when I think about it. And then Noah is like, "You being unreasonable. You being that's like telling me to calm down." I was like, nope, accept it. And then I just keep looking at when
Yeah.
eh.
Yeah.
That was all. Ke tsula fela ko never fit ka go o ene tlante ke mo shapise ka moya.
And chapisa ka moya. Like real air.
Oh, guys, now I believe in that shit. When I'm angry, oh no. And I wasn't actually that angry. I was just like, why would you say that? Hey, no one didn't know it's
Like, wait, I know one thing about Tofa. So when she's like away, I'll be like, oh my gosh, something is up. But I didn't ask. I was like, let me just take this air that I'm receiving and we'll be fine by the next day. But I didn't know it was because Kiritse or unreasonable.
Oh, yeah.
But I feel like it's the word.
Now you can say it.
You had plans, though. You had plans.
I was willing to cancel them for you guys. Oh, you know what? Like, I'm just so over group chat.
Yeah.
Let me just say it on YouTube. I'm over it. They will disappoint you. Like, they will disappoint you. That's why I know how to plana le neo. Wow. One thing about her, even if nenke be ke sa mo shapisa ka moya, ne tlo mo kra antse sing ne re tlo tswella ka di plan YouTube.
Serious, sweet.
Ne re tlo tswella ka di plan re di two. But I was like, nope. It's time out time.
Hey, you're not time out of it.
Oh my god, no feta go chase.
Yo, I need to switch it off. Okay, what embarrasses you the most? You wanna go first?
No. What? Saying hello, talking to people. Any interaction with people embarrasses me, especially strangers.
Mara people in jail, people, people embarrass you. Like, I'm saying people, I'm not being specific, but I think you know what I'm talking about. But people will embarrass you. Like,
yes. And when they embarrass you, they make sure.
They, like, what? What wala pi so iti.
Hard than now. I can't deal with people in the nursing place.
Yeah,
it's interaction with people.
Oh, what embarrasses me the most is when I am drunk. Guys, we see I love being drunk. I think I like being drunk. Like, I enjoy go tlhapelwa. Like, allow me to be drunk. Because I love it.
Yeah.
It just makes me.
But okay, that's beside the point.
No. Wait. Yeah, today I'm just not. Like when I want to drink, I want to drink. When I don't want to drink, I don't want to drink. That's just me. And when I want to get drunk, I want to get drunk.
Yeah.
So what embarrasses me the most is when I'm drunk and then the next day I'm a video. Don't shoot. That embarrasses me. Like I was drunk, I know, mara nung won't bonta. Won't bonta get it ing se se vile, se long was in kiss tonko. Hey. Like it embarrasses me, like yo, some bones. That's bad lapis. Hey, some bones. There's this video. Yo, I was so drunk. May his soul rest in peace. Yo,
What's the video?
yo, and it's Heriki.
Who?
Yo,
Talayan.
Almeo.
Eh, give me Talayan.
Yo, video ele ga ka fitla. Hey, Kisule, 6 feet.
Dead.
So I hope he keeps it for himself. Like, it's a memory ele is neo manga. Hey, Magda, I love me when I'm drunk. Yo,
Neo, you are so fun. I like Neo how it's a break. She even takes break mid drinking. Yo,
Yes.
I area nip pisses me off.
Yeah.
Hafetsa abakasha. Like the mood would be go hungry. Then she takes a break and then she's crushing and I'm like, oh my god, I'm too short for this.
Yeah.
And so I don't like that.
Yeah. Well, today is no drinking day. But I'm not saying you can't drink. You can drink. I'm just not gonna drink.
Okay guys, so not many people asked questions, but the views was so high.
Why Liliana, Mar? Like, why Liliana?
But we do appreciate the questions.
Yo, I love these questions.
So to make things further interesting, I came up with questions from Pinterest. It is how well does Newo know me?
Oh my
So,
gosh.
Newo, I will be asking the questions and then you will be answering me.
Oh my gosh, this is about to get so tough.
Good luck.
Yay, I need the luck.
And don't fuck it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
First question.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Yo, ish. Like, I'm really nervous. You feel like I know you, but I don't know you. Wait till when you are asked questions like, what is my when? It's just hectic. It's for hectic.
But this one is not hectic. Trust me.
Okay.
What is my favorite color?
Oh my gosh.
I knew I was going to get you, got you.
I think it's I if not red, yellow.
It's
But-
yellow.
Oh my god, nakita 80% yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow. My
Hey.
favorite color is indeed yellow.
Okay.
Okay, second question. What are the 3 places I would like to visit? You can give me 1 or 2, but bonus for 3.
You wanna go to Croatia? I'm joking. I think you wanna go to Greece.
Ding ding.
Germany.
Ding ding.
I feel like Paris is so cliche. But I'm gonna say Paris for some reason.
Wrong. Maldives.
Maldives. Okay, and that place is nice.
Right. And then, what's my favorite food?
African cuisine.
Okay, now go put it because I can't.
Yeah. What are 2 things I carry all the time? Easy peasy. 1, Voos.
Ding ding.
The second one, your phone, her phone.
Ding ding.
Voos and your phone.
100%.
Oh my gosh, who was my first love? Who was your first love? I'm gonna say Koto. Koto, you. Shem.
He was
Yeah.
my first love.
Koto was your first love name?
Yeah.
Aww. Yo.
Hoto, I'm doing just fine without you in my life.
Wait, you believe na kinakane? Kane wile FNB len.
Okay.
FNB stadium.
Oh my god, no. What the heck is wrong with you?
It's love. Yo, I love love. What annoys me the most? What annoys you the most? Clients that don't pay. I'm just kidding.
Girl, they are not getting anywhere near me. You can believe that.
Ish, so what's on you working?
That is actually tough with because I don't easily get annoyed.
Yeah, wait, see, like I don't think. What annoys you, Mara? What can I do that can annoy you?
Tell me I'm being unreasonable. No, hopefully take that day.
When I popular. Girl, I always remember shit. Yeah, hey, so far I'm glad you're in my life because I forget, she remembers. What is your dream job? Your dream job? I think TrueFacee to the world.
Ding ding.
Ding ding.
Was it I do not dream of labor.
I do not dream. Yeah, you do not dream of labor. But TrueFacee to the world. What is your favorite season? I think spring. I mean, you're a Libra, you're a October baby. Ke spring day.
The sun.
Summer. Spring, summer, no maini.
Yeah.
And like a
As long
melody.
as the sun is out.
Yeah. No, I'll never understand people that like winter.
Dude. Yeah.
Yo, yeah. The fashion, number 1, but Zokotola. What's my all-time favorite movie? Easy peasy. It's Hangover.
No, it's not. All time.
Okay.
That's our movie.
Yeah, that's our movie. My all-time, I'm gonna go with Mara. A movie girl. No, a movie girl with.
Given the time, like if I have time, I will watch a movie. No, I guess every movie because I cannot know.
Yeah. But I think your all-time. Ish Mutimaka. Why ke batla gore The Princess and the Frog?
No, it's definitely not.
Is it animation? Give me a
No.
clue.
No, I can't give you a clue.
Because I'm gonna get it next.
Yes.
Mara, it's comedy. It's definitely comedy. Oh my gosh! that, and I can't even move my head now.
Oh, damn. Oh my gosh. Ka
Ka gopola.
Oh.
Ka gopola.
Oh.
Love and fucking basketball.
Yes.
Like, what the hell? How can I forget that? I'm so mad. What's my all-time favorite series? I'm gonna say RuPaul's Drag Race.
That's a show. Mara, if there was
Okay,
a show,
okay.
you are definitely right.
Okay. Series.
Eh.
Sorry, no, which is it? Which is it? This bitch burned me. So what did you say?
Okay.
Fun.
Excuse, as long as it's a good little.
As long as it's a good little. Hey, we see. Okay, guys, I got this one in the bag. Your favorite all-time series, Game of Thrones.
Dang, 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 dang. And that is correct.
Guys, I know her. This is not as tough as I thought it was gonna be. What is your favorite flower? Guys, I asked her like 3 weeks ago. And I remember, guys, please clap for me. 3 weeks ago, and I remember. That's a win. It's carnations.
Yes, dang, 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 dang. Looks like Noah's on a roll.
I'm enjoying this. What did I want to be when I grew up? Phew. Have we talked about it?
Yes.
Didn't you want to be a nurse? Nurse.
Nesse.
Oh my gosh, no. Didn't you want to be lawyer?
Yes.
Yo, that was quite tough, actually. I took a wild guess.
Really?
Yeah.
La bona gore di guess mara di lisa kae mo life.
I got it right. Who is my all-time favorite artist? Whew. Tovato listens to music, guys. Tovato loves music. And I don't know why, but I'm gonna say R. Kelly.
I respect him. His music is very good.
Is it female?
Yes. Okay, let's say male.
All-time favorite artist is definitely Tony to the Braxton.
Dang.
Dang.
Like Zagang.
Oh, like I got it right. Nikki put man. Okay, and Meili. Meili.
Maybe can have Kelly.
Meili, yeah. I think okay. But I was gonna give it to Drake as well, like a little bit to
No,
Drake.
girl, that's you.
So Drake, next. So what's Drake? I got South Africa. What's on Kapavel?
Ke tlo go kapa neo ke tla re.
Oh.
That's the price I have to pay for friendship.
Lebalona, bayalo. Oh.
I mean, let's prison break. It's Friday night. Season 5.
What is your shoe size? Woo! Tough one.
Yes, it's a tough one. And it's tricky. So I want to see the golden.
Yo. Maribari, you don't say a woman's shoe size. Oh, King, age. Is it age or shoe size?
Age, lala.
Oh, so I can say your shoe size.
Hey.
Oh, sure.
Hey. Kings. Say it again.
Size 6.
Hey.
Oh,
Zagang.
oh, size 6. 6.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, Tiro wala size 6. What place would I visit? What place would you visit for 2 weeks? Like, yeah.
Like ga go te tshego o ka kgetha go ya kae for 2 weeks. Like maybe vacation fana or Airbnb fana.
Wait again. Experience-wise, I think you would go to the beach
So is that.
for 2 weeks. I'm gonna say Maldives.
Correct. Or Bali.
Oh yeah. Bali ke go that statue earlier. Bali can if it must say. Apparently Bali is like a spiritual country.
Hey, when you always come back revitalized, rejuvenated.
Oh wow. Yeah. I read or saw somewhere Bali is a spiritual country. Like they are very spiritual. They do things. They
Like cleanse.
the tourist attractions they big on spirituality. One with God.
Yes,
We should go to Bali.
we should.
If you are in a bad mood, do you prefer to be alone or be with someone to cheer you up?
That's a good question. Guys, if I'm in a bad mood, I don't think you would know. And like, I'm able to be quiet. Like, I'm able to just sit in silence.
Oh, nah, I can't pretend to save my life.
And at that time, I'm not even pretending. I'm just in.
I want to be alone. I want to be alone and cry. Yo, I'm a crier. Like, you batla go lla, like, yo. Just be on my pillow. I'm that one of those girlies in the movies. In the
You had to reference me.
yeah, I'm that girl. I'm an emotional wreck.
No, you are just in touch with your feelings, and I feel like that is super splendiferous.
In touch with my feelings. Did you guys hear that? What kind of parent do you think you'd be? Tough one.
Tough one. Yo, guys, now
Hey,
like I wanna be strict from the get-go because I ke batla go bolella motho ga itere gore a etse something. Ke batla gore shh.
I feel like you're very lenient, so you have to strict your name. You must cut it out of the book. As a strict parent,
Oh my god.
you are so lenient.
I am Klena, and I feel like the twins know.
Yes, the twins are no. Auntie Tero. Auntie Tero is going to get them that chocolate. So I don't think you'd be a strict parent because now I think I am strict.
You are strict. Mara mabanta awa.
Yeah. I think
Mabanta awa never usunili second born. Usually people mabanta awa ka last born. So wena awa
our wait again.
o santse o le go your first.
My no more kids aside.
We can only hope.
Ish. But God, thank you. Bishop. What was the best phase of your life so far?
My best phase. It has to be the one I'm in.
Really?
Like now I am so happy. I am
Oh, I love that.
so content. Like guys, yo.
Aw.
Ke happy guys, ke happy. Dilo tsa ka o ka re di tlo palama Ranex yanong.
I love that.
Last year dilo tsa ka ne di palame Teze.
So upgrade.
So ga retile yanong dilo tsa ka di mo.
I enjoyed my childhood. Yo. Like I wanna go back. On that primary years. Oh, I enjoyed that phase of my life. I feel like we had most memories then, and good memories. People are still alive.
Innocent.
Okay, we have reached the last question. So, Teho, have you ever broke someone's heart?
Of course I have. Of course I have. Even today, the guy won't even look at me.
Oh my gosh. Was it that deep?
Oh, girl, like, it's so deep. I even agree with him. Like, I wouldn't talk to me if I was him.
But on so far, so what do you think? I want to
Yeah?
know, what do you think?
No, I can't get much chitela, banka, we can haki meat.
That's painful. No, I haven't broken anyone's heart. I get heartbreaker.
Okay, that's good.
Oh my gosh, I
Maybe
can't
we'll
believe.
put all of these tassels for tomorrow, but the final look needs to
I want to see.
relax.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I enjoyed this Q&A with you.
Me too.
It was so nice.
I actually got to learn about myself. Gape. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Like there were some questions in Kore. I'm just like, actually, like, make it like that. And thank you guys for that. Shout out to people who actually did ask us questions, and shout out to the internet for some questions, like the last questions.
Yeah. I enjoyed them as well. It was fun and funny. I love funny.
I know. That's why we will celebrate the 100 streaks, Camus.
Yes. Guys, we celebrate 100 streaks on TikTok. Yo, Batung, what a journey.
What a journey. Oh my god. Ngeke khona no re tsamaya ko 150 streaks.
Yep. It's burning.
It should be. But I'm trying to make sure that it's good.
You guys are singing.
That's why I make it up. That's why I make it up for the tsenya ka di bobby pin, but now I can ready say video so people should see the
Final look.
final look.
Because now I get to robala. Let's start there.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Wait, there was one question that I was expecting, but thank God people didn't ask.
Okay, but now I want to know.
Yeah?
Now I want to know.
No, you don't need to know. No, I'm afraid I ate you up. Where's the lace?
Haki, nthuseng go e batla. Nthuseng go e batla. Tla ke bone. Batho ba modimo. Silala phi namhlanje. I love this. Oh my gosh. Girl. What did you say? 4 plus 4. Okay, izinwele
It's still recording.
okay, izinwele zami. Bona hle. Yo! I love it. Even the curls. Hey! Yo! I love it. It's So what's the because the club is in your camus?
Ditlebe di le loss. I don't want to know the bounce. I don't know ditlebe di le like kamoso ditlebe di le so.
So
Should I tie them up? Go ga go bala.
Nne le be ke tsayang kamoso pa ke.
O tlo ntsha fela pin. Bo be pin.
Ebe di na bounce. Let's say
all right, babies, we have reached the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your questions, and thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing if you of course can. Signing out.
bye.